Hello, Assalamualaikum student. Today's our topic is alpha scattering model, and starting with this, so this model was discovered by Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford is the full name. Rutherford. Before this one model, there was one more model from J.J. Thomson, and that model was called as plum pudding model. Plum pudding model. Okay, so this model was given by alpha scattering model was given by Rutherford, and the means the apparatus he took was instruments. As he took was the nucleus of helium, or you may say alpha rays. That is having positive charge, double positive, so these are equal. These both are equal, and the zinc sulfide plate and gold foil, and with that there were two protector D in the name of D1 and D2, and this alpha rays were emitting from a radioactive element which was packed in a lead box, packed in a PB box, lead box. Okay, so starting drawing this experiment. So first of all, we should need to draw this one, radioactive. So for example, it's a lead box, and here we have done a uh, narrow space here, and if for example there is a radon, which is also a highly radioactive element. Okay, radon is here, and when we put radon here, it will emit alpha rays from here, and there is D1, which is a protector. D1 is a protector, and D2, because alpha rays are a bit of, you may say, higher in term. It is not like light. It is more means heavier than light. It is having a mass, so because of that, first of all, we need to protect that one zinc sulfide plate, which I will be drawing. Okay, I'm drawing now this one plate. Okay, so this is the plate, zinc sulfide plate. It was like full around, only a narrow space was few left. It was like this. After this, alpha is passing through D1 and D2. It passes through a metal gold foil. Gold foil or arum foil. Arum is a symbol of gold, is a name of gold. AURUM. Arum. The symbol is AU, and is considered as gold. Okay, so it is a gold foil. Now the question is this, that why he took only the gold foil? Was it any rule that we should need to take this one gold foil? But I will tell you now. Okay, this is like this, because the it is the thickness of this gold foil is around 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, or you measure 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 4 millimeter. Okay, so the as you may observe that how thin this is, how thin the gold foil is this, and the other thing was due to only due to only present of present of few atoms then the other foil, then the other substance, you may say, other substance stances. So because of that he took gold foil. And now you will be asking the question why he took that alpha rays, specifically alpha rays from radon, because there are few other means rays, like this one is gamma which is inside the lead box, and this one is beta. I'm giving just example, these are not uh, specifically beta or gamma. These are rays which are protected by lead box. Only a narrow space is there from where only the alpha rays are coming. It is said by Ernest brother, and he just uh, took only the few part of lead box, and then passes the alpha rays from D1 D2 to means, because it is a very sensitive light, it is having a high mass, it is having a low energy than beta and gamma, but it is higher than light, you may say it is having a energy higher than light, and it is might be dangerous to directly hit towards the foil. So that's why he put D1 D2. They are working as a protector protector. Okay. So after passing of alpha rays, the atom of gold, this alpha rays moves towards the atoms of gold foil. Okay, these are the atoms. So from where the space was there, then it was means straight forwarding. It was passing through straight forward. But he assumed one thing more, that there was some more rays which were means passing like this. I will drawing the structure as well. So the structure was this, that there is a nucleus. It's a structure of one atom. Okay, there are a lot of atoms now, so you might not able to see that I'm talking about which. Okay, so there's I'm drawing another. So for example, it's a big foil, and there is one atom. Okay, and this is nucleus, as you guys know. And Ernest Rutherford was not having any clue of this thing. Okay, so when he passes this alpha rays uh, towards the upside of this one uh, nucleus, it is alpha rays, and it is having in a high quantity, about 20,000 are present here. 20,000. Okay, when this alpha rays moves, then it moves straight forwardly there there. But when it moves in here, where in the means likely to attach the nucleus, then it reflected got there, and some of get bounce back, because they just touch the nucleus, and this was likely to touch, and this one touch the nucleus. Because of that, they bounce back, and other goes straight forwardly. Okay, so this was the experiment, and the conclusion was this, that there is some positive charge present in an atom, and which is in a small distance, you may say, which is in a small distance. And this was the conclusion of this alpha scattering model. And and because of that, we also used to say that nucleus was discovered by Ernest Ernst Rutherford by. Okay, so this was our topic. We'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, so this was the topic.